let's go in. Let's go on in. All right, everyone, come on in. Welcome to the studio. It's a pretty cold January day. Let's have a look at what was happening yesterday and in the days previously. Let's see where things begin and end. I'll just turn on the lights and give you all a look around. So, well, yeah. Oh, I'll show you where I left off yesterday. So there's this group of new, really wet watercolors. They're really soaking the page, and I don't quite know what'll become of them. I am thinking of them as sort of a starting point for new paintings. In fact, watercolors typically are starting points for paintings. These here were made in the summer and fall at Grout Pond in the Green Mountain National Forest. And they lead into some of the paintings heading to the Burlington City Arts Gallery next week. So there I'm debuting a series of paintings that continue this exploration of the river, a river that runs through and into the forest. And somewhere along the line in this process, I find a way out, I think. It's sort of an outlet, if you will. And partly that's, an experience with color, a new sort of sensation in handling the paint, incorporating a range of scales in mark making, scraping things back, building things up, letting the topography of the painting dictate the course of my actions. And this piece here is called Spirit Stand, named so for the tamaracks glowing there in the back, but also for this mysterious early morning low-lying fog lit by the sun. It's an eerie and incandescent. And that stands in pretty stark contrast to an open pond in the forest here, which is one of, I think, my most unusual paintings. It's the most sort of starkest and has sharpest edges for sure. And it's based on an experience skiing and spending time in a part of the woods that's only accessible in the winter and by skis or snowshoes. And I happened on it this one particular day last winter when the water had just opened, and it was nearly a perfect circle. In my painting, I made it an ellipse, and I immediately thought of Emerson's essays on nature, which he describes the Watry world, WAT'Ry. But more so, I was thinking, this image of Thoreau writing about Walden Pond, which he called Walden Pond a mirror, the Earth's mirror. And he also called it the liquid eye. And if this form in the forest here isn't just that, a sort of liquid eye peering back into space, and there's the pupil. It just has me thinking about the changing New England winter and sort of beauty and curiosity in the forest.